Hi, we're going to use Firebase, which is a backend database for storing data. And it's run by Google, so if you've got a Google account, you'll already be able to log in. If you don't, you need to set up a Google account. So for example, Gmail. So we'll go to this page, firebase.google.com. Okay, and then get started. We'll click on that. And we need to choose an account. So we'll choose, this is me, my account, and I need to enter my password. Okay, and then we'll get to welcome to Firebase, and we can add projects. So let's add a project. So we'll click here to add a project, and we get a project name. So let's call it chat app. Okay, country United States, create project. And we're creating our first project. Okay, so now it's going to give us some information that we're going to need to access our project. We're going to use this right-hand one, add Firebase to your web app. So click on that, and it's going to give us some code that we're going to need. So we need to cut and copy, or copy this code, okay? So you'll see it's going to hit this new app. So we copy that, or hit the copy button. Okay, and now we'll add this to our code. So here's the folder, chat app, that I asked you to set up, and when that came from unzipping the zip file, and inside we've got browser Firebase. So we're going to edit that. So I'm going to open the Visual Studio editor. Okay, and now I need to navigate to that folder. Over here, here's my chat app folder. So inside that, we're going to select that folder, open it. Okay, and inside here we need to replace that with what you copied. I'm going to cut that and paste in the new one. So this is chat app. Now yours will be different, okay, because you've logged in as a different person, but copy and paste that into our browser firebase.html. Okay, and we'll save that. So the first thing we need to do before we use our database is we need to change the access rules. And I've already changed this one, but it was authorization not equal to null. I've changed it to be equal to null. Okay, so I don't require any read authorization or write authorization, and I'm going to publish those. If you don't change this, you won't have permission to write to the database. We'll go back to the database. Now let's open our browser Firebase. So we double click on this just to open it in our browser. Here's our empty database. Now let's go to this and we'll post a message. Let's post a message, hello. And take a look at our database. And there's our message, hello. Now the way I've set this up is that we get a random number for our user ID. And so I've been given the number 39. You'll get a different number. And let's just put another message in there, post message good. And now if we go back to the database, we'll see that hello has been overwritten, and we get the latest message. So we're communicating with the database, and if you log into yours, you should get this behavior. And we'll update this in the next video. Okay.